Are you ready to take your culinary creativity to new heights? The Nutribullet Combo Blender is the powerhouse you've been waiting for. It's not just a blender, it's your ticket to a world of kitchen possibilities, from wholesome smoothies to hearty soups and more. Let's dive into why this blender is the ultimate one-for-all option that deserves a place in your kitchen. If you're interested in learning more about the Nutribullet Blender Combo 1200 Watt, please click on the link in the description below. Blend beyond boundaries. The Nutribullet Combo Blender isn't just another blender. It's a versatile kitchen companion that's capable of transforming ordinary ingredients into extraordinary creations. Whether you're craving a refreshing smoothie, a velvety soup, or a luscious nut butter, this blender has the power and technology to make it happen. Powerhouse Performance. Say goodbye to limitations. The Nutribullet Combo Blender boasts powerful nutrient extraction technology that unlocks the full potential of your ingredients. With its high-capacity 64 ounces pitcher, this countertop titan can handle even your most ambitious culinary projects with ease. Total control at your fingertips. Become the master of your creations with the Nutribullet Combo Blender's precision control options. Choose from 3 speeds and a pulse function to customize your blends to perfection. And if you're in a hurry, the Extract program provides a one-button solution for delicious smoothies that are ready in an instant. Versatility redefined. Whether you're hosting a gathering or need a quick on-the-go snack, the Nutribullet Combo Blender has you covered. Its 64 Oz blender pitcher is perfect for preparing multiple servings, while the portable Nutribullet cups allow you to enjoy your creations wherever life takes you. Crafted for durability. Say hello to BPA-free, dishwasher-safe durability. The Nutribullet Combo Blender's pitchers and cups are made from super durable, high-performance plastic that's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. No need to worry about wear and tear. This blender is built to last. The Nutribullet Combo Blender is more than just a kitchen appliance, it's a game changer. With its impressive power, advanced technology, and versatile functionality, it's the perfect partner for your kitchen ambitions. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a culinary explorer, or someone who simply loves experimenting in the kitchen, this blender opens up a world of possibilities. Say goodbye to culinary limitations and hello to a whole new level of creativity. Elevate your blends, experiment with flavors, and redefine what's possible with the Nutribullet Combo Blender. Your kitchen will never be the same again. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.